Do not invest in Dubai without watching this video, because you might have heard a lot of good things about the Dubai's booming real estate market, about how the properties over here have great appreciation, investment security, safety, rental yields of more than 12%. And if you want to invest in Dubai without knowing what exactly is driving these factors, making Dubai one of the best economies to invest in, then you are probably going to waste a lot of hard-earned money. So in this video, we are going to talk about the 3 pillars that are actually driving Dubai's real estate market.
A city that rose from the sands of the Arabian desert to become a global metropolis in just a few decades. Dubai's transformation is not just a tale of skyscrapers and economic growth. It's a story of vision, leadership, and determination. And at the heart of this transformation is one man, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum.
I was lucky enough. I traveled with my father to Europe, England, and always my dream saying, roads, they have roads and they have buildings and flags. And to me that was my dream. Will we have that here, Well, this is my childhood. Between the Emirates, there was no road.
Under Sheikh Mohammed's leadership, Dubai has seen unprecedented growth. Became the ruler of Dubai in 2006, had a bold vision. He understood that Dubai's future would not depend on oil alone. He wanted to diversify the economy, attract global businesses, and turn Dubai into a world-class destination.
So Dubai's story is built on 3 pillars. Number 1, the location. Number 2, the infrastructure. And number 3, the policies. Let's dive deep into them. So the first is location. Dubai is right at the center of action, placed where London was in the 1800s, what New York was in the 1900s, a place where people would come, earn and change their life completely. And that is where Dubai is right now, the center of all action. If you see the map of the world, Dubai comes right in the center of the world map. A prime location between Europe, Africa, Asia, major developing economies like India and China at one side, and the developed economies like London, America and Europe at the other. Dubai also has a time zone advantage. You have people working here in Dubai, both UK as well as Indian hours. In Dubai, we've got companies like Microsoft, Google, Sony, Mercedes and so many others successfully running their regional headquarters right here from Dubai. Plus, if you've been to Dubai on the famous Emirates Airlines, you know how quick and easy it is to come to Dubai. Because 60% of the world's population is just at 4 hours distance from Dubai. Plus, Dubai has a brilliant coastline which gives access to all the major cargo routes of the world. This unique location serves as a central hub for international trade and commerce. Dubai's strategic location serves as a gateway to a world of opportunities, enabling seamless trade and commerce across diverse markets. Now, location could be everything, but how the leadership has leveraged this location is pure genius. And that gets me to the second pillar, and that is infrastructure.
From its towering skyscrapers to its expansive highways, ports and eco-friendly innovations, Dubai's infrastructure is a true testament to the city's ambition and ingenuity. It's a place where the impossible becomes possible and where the future of urban living is being built today.
Talking about infrastructure, Dubai Metro cannot be left behind. On September 9, 2009, Dubai launched the first driverless metro network in the world.
Home to one of the world's most futuristic and efficient metro systems, the Dubai Metro, the first urban train network in the Arabian Peninsula. The trains are fully automated, driverless, and run on electricity, reducing carbon emissions. Moreover, the entire system is monitored through a central control center, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operations. It was a visionary project aimed at easing traffic congestion, providing eco-friendly transport solutions, and enhancing the overall urban infrastructure of Dubai. The metro quickly became the lifeline for residents and tourists alike.
It started off with 10 stations and 79 metro trains, and as of today, that is 2024, Dubai has 53 metro stations with 129 driverless metro trains. This year marked the 15-year anniversary of the operation of Dubai Metro. Not just that, Dubai has plans of expanding its metro link to other areas of Dubai, which is only accessible by road. In short, by 2030, Dubai is going to move from 64 stations to 96 stations, and in 2040, it's going to move from 96 stations to 140 stations covering every corner of Dubai. Dubai's infrastructure also includes the world-famous Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world. The world's first fully operational man-made island, also known as the Palm Jumeirah. The world's only 7-star hotel called the Burj Al Arab. We've got Museum of the Future, world's only 3D printed building, and there is so much of infrastructure here in Dubai. But interestingly, this is all just the beginning of what Dubai is going to come up in the next 10 years. Now, if you've been paying taxes to your government in your home country, guess what? Dubai doesn't charge any income tax. And this is one of the major reasons why people are coming here and investing and living in Dubai. And this gets me to the third pillar, and that is the policies of Dubai.
Under the visionary leadership of His Highness, Dubai has adopted progressive policies, innovation, positioning the city as a leader, but on the global stage. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum that focus on economic diversification and governance, not just in the region.
So if you're earning salaries here in the UAE or Dubai, you're not paying any tax because the government doesn't charge anything from your income. Not just that, if you own a property here in Dubai, you don't have a property tax as well. Plus there is no taxes on your rental income, and if you plan to resell your property, you do not have any tax on that amount as well. Coming to the policies pertaining to real estate. With a minimum investment of 750,000 dirhams, you are eligible for a 2-year investor visa. And with an investment of anything above 2 million dirhams, you are eligible for the famous golden visa, which is valid for 10 years. This visa can be used to sponsor your blood relatives, your house help, your drivers, or in short, whoever you want to sponsor can be sponsored from that golden visa. Policies like these have helped Dubai to reach the top 10 of a lot of genres. Namely, top 10 in per capita income, top 10 in ease of construction, top 10 in safety by Forbes, top 10 in protecting minority investors, starting a new business, cleanliness, safety of women, but in the last 10 when it comes to crime rate. In short, you can leave your phone, wallet, car keys anywhere in Dubai and nobody is going to take it. This is how safe Dubai is. And because of these policies, in the last 2 years, over 10,000 millionaires have shifted from across the world and come over here in Dubai to live. And the most important thing why people are actually coming here and living and investing here in Dubai is the ease of making an investment in Dubai. You just need a copy of a passport, your 6 months bank statement, you need to sign one document, and that's it. The property is in your name. So location, infrastructure and policies are what actually drives the real estate market of Dubai. And before investing in Dubai, it would be key to keep these factors in mind before making that first investment here in Dubai. By leveraging the infrastructure, the policies that the UAE and Dubai government have, and selecting the perfect location for your investment could be a game changer in your investment journey in Dubai. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.